Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3 is Understanding Quadrilaterals. Now, some basic definitions and types of quadrilateral. First of all, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a bounded figure by four lines. If we draw four lines having a bounded figure, closed diagram, 1 2 3 4, these are the four sides and this is our bounded diagram called quadrilateral. Then kinds of quadrilateral. First kind, trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with pair of parallel sides. One of the pair are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines denoted by this, and other sides are these. These are not parallel. These are the parallel sides. What is the parallel side? The sides, distance between them are fixed. Distance between this point to this point, assume that is 5 centimeter, then point this and this, distance between them is 5 centimeter. If distance between two lines are fixed, called parallel lines, the distance between them is not fixed. These are the variable. So these are not parallel side, these are the our parallel side. If I draw a diagram with a pair of parallel lines and other two are normal lines, then called trapezium. I can draw trapezium by this. This is also a trapezium, and I can draw a trapezium by these. These are the trapezium. What is the trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel lines. There are two pair of lines. One pair is parallel lines. One pair is a parallel lines called trapezium. Now next kind of quadrilateral is kite. There are exactly two consecutive pair of side of equal length. Consecutive. What is consecutive? Consecutive are these sides, one after another called consecutive sides. Consecutive number 1 2 3, 1 and 2, consecutive 2 and 3, consecutive 3 and 4, consecutive 1 and another. So one and another side are consecutive side. What is the diagram of kite? In the Hindi we can say patang. Diagram of kite. This is our diagram of a kite. Naming the diagram is A, B, C, D. This is the name of a kite, A, B, C, D. Here two consecutive pair, one pair and another pair. These are the two consecutive pair. First pair, second pair of equal side. The pair is equal. The pair is equal side. Pair having equal side. In this diagram, AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD, AB is equal to AD. I can draw this diagram in this matter. These sides are equal and these sides are equal. P, Q, R, S. Here PQ and PS. PQ is equal to PS. QR, RS. QR, RS. QR and RS are equal. Two consecutive pair of lines are equal. Now next is type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. This is the important for us. Third one is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. These are the parallel lines, and these are also parallel lines. A, B, C, D. This is the name of parallelogram. Here AB parallel, CD. This is sign of parallel. In this A, B, C, D, here AD, BC. AD parallel BC. This is the symbol of parallel. So here AB and CD are parallel. Again AD and BC. AD and BC are parallel. A, B, C, D. This is a rectangle. In this rectangle, AB and CD parallel, AB parallel CD, AB and CD parallel, BC and AD parallel, BC parallel AD. This is our parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Opposite side. These are the opposite side. These are the opposite side. These are the consecutive sides. Opposite sides. Opposite sides are parallel. These parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. This is our parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram, P, Q, R, S, where PS and RQ. PS parallel RQ. Another one, PQ, RS. PQ, PQ parallel RS. This is the definition of parallelogram. Now you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to properties on parallelogram. Now in our parallelogram, next topic is elements of a parallelogram. This is our parallelogram, A, B, C and D. Here AB and CD are parallel, AB parallel CD and ADBC parallel, AD parallel BC. These sides are parallel, these sides are parallel. This is our a parallelogram. Now opposite sides AB and CD, opposite sides are AB and CD, opposite sides are BC and AD, BC and AD. There are two pair of opposite sides, AB opposite to CD, AD opposite to BC. So AB and CD are opposite, BC and AD are opposite. Opposite angle. Here is a angle A. Opposite angle is angle C. Angle A and angle C. Here is angle B, opposite angle is D, angle B and angle D. Which are the opposite angle? Angle A and angle C are opposite angle, angle B and angle D are opposite angle. Now adjacent sides. Adjacent sides are, these are the sides which intersect at point A, called adjacent sides, AB and AD, AB and AD. For point B, AB, BC. I write down here for each point. For point A, AB and AD. For point B, adjacent sides are AB and BC. AB and BC. For point C, adjacent sides are BC, CD. BC and CD. For point D, AD, CD. AD and CD are adjacent sides. Adjacent sides are the two lines which make a angle called adjacent sides. For point A, for angle A, AB, AD. For point B, AB, BC. For point C, BC, CD. For point D, AD, CD. These are the adjacent sides. Now next is adjacent angle. Which are the adjacent angle? Angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C are opposite angle, but angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Angle A and angle B, comma, angle A and angle D, angle A and angle D. Now for angle B, adjacent with angle A, B and A, B and C. Now angle C and angle D. Angle A and B are adjacent, B and C are adjacent, B, C and D are adjacent, D and A are adjacent. These are the adjacent angle. Now some properties on parallelogram. First property: the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal length. AB and CD are equal. AB equal to CD. AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal. This is the definition of parallelogram. Second property, the opposite angle of parallelogram are of equal measure. Opposite angle are equal. Opposite angle A and C, angle A equal to angle C. B and D, these are the opposite. B and D are equal. Angle B equal to angle D. So second property is opposite angles are equal. Now opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Now third property, the adjacent angle in a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means addition of these are 180. Adjacent angle are supplementary. A and B are adjacent angle. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Angle B adjacent with angle C. A and B and C are adjacent. So these are 180. C and D, angle C plus angle D 180. D and A, angle D plus angle A is 180. The adjacent angle are 180 means addition of these are 180. Now property number 4, the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. What is a diagonal? This is our parallelogram. A, B, C, D. There are 4 points A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points. If we draw a line between opposite points called diagonal. Diagonal is AC. Diagonals of parallelogram are AC and BD. The diagonals are AC and BD. If we draw a line between opposite point called diagonal, so there are 2 diagonals AC and BD. These are the diagonals. Now the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other means intersect at equal length. These are intersecting, let assume intersecting at point O. So AO and CO, AO and CO is equal, DO and BO are equal. AO equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So let's take beginning from this. Elements of parallelogram, first is opposite side ABCD, ADBC. These are the opposite sides. Opposite angle, angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D. Adjacent sides AB, BC. Now BC, CD. Now CD, AD. Now AD, AB. These are the adjacent sides. There are 4 pair of adjacent sides for 4 points, point A, 4 point B, 4 point C, 4 point D. Now adjacent angle, A and B are adjacent, B and C are adjacent, C and D are adjacent, D and A are adjacent. These are the elements of parallelogram. Now property, first property is The opposite sides of parallelogram is equal. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. So AB and CD equal, AD and BC is equal. Second property, the opposite angle of parallelogram are equal measure. The opposite angles are equal. Angle A and angle C is equal, B and D is equal. Now third property, the adjacent angle in a parallelogram are supplementary, means addition of them are 180. A plus B is equal to 180, B plus C 180, C plus D 180, D plus A 180. Property number 4, diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. These are the diagonals. Intersecting point O, AO, CO equal, BO, DO is equal. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now in exercise 3.3, question number first, given a parallelogram ABCD, given that this is a parallelogram ABCD, definition of parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. Complete each statement along with the definition or property used. First, AD, the side AD is equal to, the side AD is equal to BC. BC. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. By property, the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Angle DCB, DCB, this one angle, opposite angle are equal, so angle A is equal to C, so angle A, DAB, angle DAB. Reason, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. OC, this one, this is a part of diagonal bisect each other, so OC is equal to OA, OC is equal to OA. Reason, diagonals of parallelogram bisects each other. Now fourth one is measure of angle, M for measure, measure of angle DAB means angle A, measure of angle CDA, D, A and D, addition of A and D. These are the adjacent angle. The addition of adjacent angle is 180 degree. Reason, adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary means the addition of adjacent angle is 180 degree. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our question number second, consider the following parallelogram. These are the parallelogram. Find the value of unknown x, y and z. Find the value of x, y and z. X, y and z. These are the parallelograms. In first part, we know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 100. Angle y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now these are the adjacent angle. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So z plus 100 is equal to, supplementary means 180. Z plus 100 is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 100, z is equal to 80. Y is 100, z is 80. Now z and x are opposite angle. X is equal to z is equal to 80. The x is equal to 80 degree because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now I am taking second question. This is a parallelogram. First of all, name this parallelogram A, B, C and D. X, Y, Z. This angle let P. This angle is P. Now these are the opposite angle. So angle P is 50. P is equal to 50. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angle are equal. So P is equal to 50. Then P and Z are linear pair angle. So Z is equal to 180 minus P is equal to, P is 50, 180 minus 50, 130, because linear pair angles, the linear pair angles at a line, if any point is here, there are two angles, the addition of these angle will be 180 degree. So Z is equal to 180 minus P is equal to 130 degree by linear pair angles. We will find the value of Z. Now for X and Y, here 50 and Y are adjacent angle. So Y is equal to 50 because adjacent angles of parallelogram are equal. So y is equal to 50. Y and x are opposite angle and opposite angles are equal. X is equal to y is equal to 50. So adjacent angle of parallelogram are not equal, these are the supplementary. These are the supplementary angle. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So y plus 50 is equal to 180, y is equal to 180 minus 50, y is equal to 130. The angle y is equal to 130 degree. Now opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So x and y is equal, x and y is equal, y is 130, y is 130. So x, y and z, there are three angles x, y and z, each of them is 130 degree. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another questions in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.